sounds louder.
There's a creature from the Black Lagoon.
No, there's a creature from Michael Maloney's nose and lungs.
All those years of smoking.
Yep. All those years of smoking, this is what he sound like. Smoke another one. He only quits breathing 23 times an hour. He's supposed to be wearing a seatbelt.